Hey guys, I'm super excited about this one. I've been waiting for a long time to post it to the site. We got our chutney going over here. We got Mark in the house.
Paleo Mark.
Oh, Paleo Mark. Sorry about that. And Mark, what are we gonna make?
We're gonna make paleo shrimp crab cakes.
Oh, it sounds good. You guys don't want to miss this one, so stick around. All right, Mark, so you're gonna be the mixing guy again. I've got some large, pretty big, man, jumbo shrimp here. These are wild, pre-cooked, right? Cooked wild shrimp. I've never seen that before. I saw it today. I was gonna get the ones with the shell on, then I was gonna peel them, devein them, and poach them. But I said, hey, little shortcut, $3 more a pound, I'm going for it, all right? So all I want you to do is just get the tail off of these, peel the tail off of all those. While you're doing it, I'm gonna mince up a little bit of red onion here. So next what I want you to do, I've already pre-squeezed this crab meat, but I want you to take and squeeze it one more time right over the garbage can. See if you can get any more. Oh, drip, drop. We want the meat dry. You could probably just throw these right in the food processor too. That'd be an easy way. So we're keeping it paleo, right, Mark?
That's right.
About a sharp blade and a block of wood. So we got that all chopped up. We're going for similar size. Like if we look in here, we might be able to find a piece of crab. Did you eat all the big chunks? There's one, right? Nice little chunky chunk of crab. So these are about that size or smaller. Next step, we're gonna add the eggs. We've got 1 pound of crab meat and 1 pound of shrimp. We're gonna go 1 egg per pound. So how many eggs?
2.
Nice. I'm just gonna crack these in there. I want you to start mixing that up.
With my hands?
Your hands, just get in there and get dirty. And as you're doing that, I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. Not a ton, because why? There's already a lot of salt in seafood.
Yeah.
And then some black pepper. And we've got some dry dill weed, and then some dry thyme. All right, we got our mix here. Mark crushed that. Then we got a couple new utensils we brought in here. Fish spatula, these are called cookie cutters, I think, or just cutters, plain round. And I'm gonna pick out of here, what do you think? Maybe that guy? That guy? That looks good to me. That'll be our thing. And then a little PC scoop, portion control.
Oh,
all right.
gotcha.
So watch this. Let's take that, hit it in there. What do you think? Maybe like I need a little bit bigger PC. So if you can take this and do that for me.
Okay.
While he's doing that, guys, come on over here. I'm just gonna get some extra light olive oil. Put the heat on. We're gonna bring that up to about 360. 360 is our goal. And then we wanna keep it like 360 to 340 on the lowest end. Once we add stuff, oil's gonna cool. But if we get below down towards 325, then the cakes will start taking on oil, and we don't want that. They're gonna be soggy, and nobody likes soggy crab cakes. Mark's gonna keep rocking and rolling. I'm gonna start transferring these guys into the oil. There. All right, guys, I think we're about halfway. Oil's right in the 340, 350 range. I'm gonna start flipping these babies over. And you guys, the beautiful thing about these is that they're not packed with breadcrumbs and all kinds of other fillers, right? Just a little bit of egg to bind the stuff together. When you get a shrimp crab cake from Paleo Mark, it's full of shrimp and crab. Okay, so guys, what I'm looking at here now, I can start to see moisture pooling on the top. And what that means is that the inside is so hot that it's steaming. Moisture is rising to the surface. To me, that means that they're done. And I've just got an elevated little baker's rack type thing here. All right, guys, so we're gonna give this one a try. Let's just see if Mark deserves one here. Let's see. You take that, I'll take this one. Huh? Yeah.
Super tender.
Super good. So these guys could be an appetizer, they could be a meal, they could be a past hors d'oeuvre at like a paleo potluck. Huh? What about that?
You could do that.
I want to show you quickly how I plate these up. So I'm just gonna take, I got some great big leaves of cilantro here. And normally I'd use like a mezclun or some kind of mixed greens, right? Baby greens, mixed greens. Sorry for talking with my mouth. But I'm gonna use some of these big cilantro leaves because that technically is a baby green. Do it like this, okay? Something like that. Then what might go well with that?
Oh, we go pear apple chutney.
That's a good idea. We happen to have some of that right here. So yeah, people might look at this and think, man, I can't make that. It's take way too long. It looks complicated. Was that hard?
No, I mean, we're just a couple of simple boys from Minnesota, and it was pretty easy.
Yeah, buddy. That's our goal. So paleo shrimp crab cakes with pear apple chutney. I'm Nick. This is Paleo Mark, and we're just doing what we can to help you guys
Keep
it paleo.